So it's nighttime right now, and Kellen is in bed, and Riken is at the monster truck jam with Dan. So I wanted to wash my face naturally, but I thought I would do it really fast tonight and just show you guys like how I use the reverse brightening line, Regimen, whatever. And like tell you a little bit about it. So the first product is the Deep Exfoliating Wash. It smells terrific, and it's kind of gritty, which I think is so great. I don't have like any makeup left on right now, so normally I would do like a pre-wash. Here, give me 1 second. Normally I would do like a pre-wash to get some of the foundation off if I had any on. But I don't have any on today, so I just kind of take it, you know, wash my face. They say like up to a minute you're supposed to wash, but like who actually has time for that? I don't. So I just give like a nice good scrub. I know that like my T-zone, well, mostly just my nose, needs a little extra. Get a little water in there. I know, it's so attractive. This is like totally what you all wanted to watch, right? I always get my neck too, because then I feel like it just, life feels better once you have your neck cleaned. Ooh, it's hot. So, okay, now it's going to get gross. Sorry, guys. Like, no one wants to see this. But it feels so good. Like, I can't believe people, like, don't wash their face. You know what I mean? Like, don't get me wrong, like, there are plenty of times where I don't wash before bed, which is so bad, but, like, I get it. Like, you get tired, days are long, or you fall asleep at 7:30 when you're putting the kids to bed. Like, I get it. But doesn't, like, okay, I know I look, oh my God, I look like a total mess, but I feel good. Like, my skin, like, I love the grittiness about it because, I'll show you, I don't know if you can even read it. I love the grittiness because it just, like, gives you just a really nice exfoliating, and, like, gosh, my skin just feels so smooth. Anyway, so then I have the Intensive Brightening Toner, and this is, like, almost gone. But this little guy is so great. What it does is, like, it gets like one final layer of gunk off of your face. So like if there's anything just like hidden deep in the pores, this gets it out, and like, ugh, look, there's extra, look at all that extra. Just gets it out, you know, I don't need that in there. So basically this is what like preps the skin for the treatment step with the regimen. But before I put, I think this is the right order. This is how I do it anyways. So before I put the treatment step on, which is the vitamin C and the retinol, I use the Bright Eye Complex. So I throw this bad boy on, and you can see here, I use literally like a dab. That's just a dab. I've been using these products for 3 months now. I'm not like, no more, no less, 3 months, like almost to the day. That's all I do. This tube is gonna last me at least another month or two, depending on how much Dan uses it. So this is the vitamin C formula. I'm trying to be mindful of the time here, guys. Like I said, I have like one more use. This is the last one. I'm gonna throw it out now. But 3 solid months off of this one regimen, you guys. And then this is the retinol. And so I just put them both on my finger, and then I give a rub. I used to put it on the back of my hand. Sometimes I still do that. But anyways, you have to mix them together so that they like activate the properties, and then it feels like a smoothing primer. Like, it's so amazing. So normally I would put on the active hydration serum before I did this step, step 3, the treatment, but I'm all out. I used the last little bit of it yesterday, so no more, which is so sad because like I totally need it for winter. Anyways, couple more steps here. So then I take the multifunction eye cream. This stuff has been so amazing. It's helping with just a little bit of fine lines because I laugh and smile, and you know, I get all those like right there around the corner. It also has helped with like the little crepiness, like right here under my eyes. So I layer that up there. During the day, I put on step 4, which is the SPF 50 sunscreen. I'm not going to wear that tonight, and I don't need the extra moisturizer, so I'm just fine. But then I get to put on the lash boost, and this is like so fun. I mean, it's not fun to put on. It's just what it is. I'm going to kind of have to get up here, guys. But just a small layer. This is like hard to do while you're talking. Small layer, like not heavy at all. And then guys, here's my trick, okay? I do a swipe on my eyebrows. I have thin eyebrows, and since they're dark, I usually have to fill them in. But since I've been using this, they've darkened, thickened, they appear darker and fuller, and I don't have to worry so much about it. Now, I already brushed my teeth. You're welcome. So the next step is the Lip Renewing Serum. This is part of the Redefine line again, just like the multifunction eye cream. Got both from here. They come in these cute little tiny capsules. They're so adorable. But I literally like squeeze it and twist the top off, and then you're supposed to put the whole thing on. I don't. I squeeze about half of it out, so I get 2 nights out of 1 tube. You could probably go more, but I like it kind of thick. I like it thick when I go on. I have to do it after the boys go to bed, otherwise so many kisses and then it goes away. But this is kind of minty, but it's really nice and like deep conditioning, and it just helps kind of replump and firm up the lips. I've noticed a little bit of color has returned to my lips, something that happened, like I started to lose that color and tone as I got into my beautiful 30s. But anyways, I can put that on at night, and when I wake up in the morning, I still have some there. Like, you can tell like it has soaked in, but it's so good that like part of it is still there working. So anyways, this is like an 8-minute video. But I just wanted to show you guys like how I use the products, and I'm sure you've seen my before and afters. I'm so pleased with them. But I'm excited too. I'm going to move to the Redefine line, which is designed for firmness and wrinkles. I'm going to be doing that this winter, so I'll let you know how it goes. All right, subscribe, like, comment, send me your questions, let me know what kind of videos you guys want, okay? All right, have a good night. Bye.